What is the Trade Agreement Act? The Trade Agreements Act, TAA, in government contracting is the go-to statute that implements numerous multilateral and bilateral international trade agreements and other trade initiatives. The TAA applies to all GSA schedule contracts unless otherwise stated in the solicitation or contract. The TAA limits the country of origin for products sold through your GSA schedule contract. In general, this means that products must be wholly the growth, product, or manufacture of the U.S. or a designated country, or they must be substantially transformed in the U.S. or a designated country into a new and different article of commerce with a distinct name, character, or use. A common problem for government contractors is analyzing what substantially transformed means. According to FAR Part 25, all federal agencies can only procure products that are 100% made in the U.S. or the designated countries, or that have undergone a process of substantial transformation in the U.S. or one of those countries. How to become TAA compliant? To be TAA compliant, your products must be wholly manufactured in the United States or a TAA designated country, or they must meet the substantially transformed requirement. At least 50% of your product production must occur in a TAA designated country to be considered TAA compliant. Under TAA regulations, it is the responsibility of each contractor, prime or subcontractor, to ensure that its product information is accurately incorporated into the contract and displayed on GSA Advantage throughout the life of the contract. Contractors must be careful not to inappropriately certify products as TAA compliant when they are not. It is a good practice to periodically review the country of origin of products offered on your GSA contract, as manufacturers sometimes change their manufacturing points. What are the penalties for non-compliance? Because TAA fraud is a federal offense, the penalties imposed for such violations are often severe. Businesses that fail to adhere to TAA regulations can face civil fines of up to $500,000 per violation and criminal penalties, including imprisonment and debarment from participating in government contracts or programs. If you are seeking help analyzing whether your products are Title A compliant, or if you're under an OIG or DOJ investigation for TAA compliance or False Claims Act charges, call TAA attorneys at Watson & Associates today. Call toll-free at 1-866-601-5518.